This is how to create a ball in Adobe Illustrator. So first we need to pick the ellipse tool, and it's right here. Now hold down the Shift key to make sure you get a perfect circle and draw a circle. You can draw it whatever size you like. When you have your circle, you can simply pick the color that you like. Then pick the selection tool, make sure the circle is selected. And now to create the shadows, we need a total of 3 copies of this circle. So we have this one original, and with that one selected, go to Edit, go to Copy, then go to Edit again and paste in front to get 1 copy, then go to Edit again and paste in front to get 2 copies, which means we now have 3 copies on top of each other. So now make sure to select the top object, and with the arrow keys on your keyboard, we can simply nudge this one up a little bit, and you can hold down the Shift key while nudging it to nudge it a little bit greater distance at a time. And this right here will be your shadow. So now make sure the top object is still selected, then hold down the Shift key and select this one as well. Then pick the Shape Builder tool, hold down the Alt key or the Option key on Mac and delete these 2 shapes right here, leaving behind only the original ball and this new shape that will be the shadow. So pick the Selection tool again, make sure the shadow is selected and give this shadow a black color. Then go to the opacity and select 30%. You could also create the shadow by simply choosing a darker blue. Now pick the original ball again, and once again go to Edit and Copy, Edit again and paste in front, but only 1 time this time. Then go to the corner and hold down both the Shift key and the Alt or Option key on Mac. Then reduce the size of this object a little bit. Now make the stroke wider. Select the stroke color and make sure that the stroke color is white. Then go to this corner right here, hold down the Shift key and rotate this ring 45 degrees. This is just to make sure that the 2 anchor points right here are on each side of the circle. So now select the pen tool, go to the middle right here until it says intersect with the middle. You can see this green line that goes down right here, and click 1 time to create another anchor point. Then select the scissor tool and cut this anchor point right here and this anchor point right here. And with the selection tool, we can simply select this shape and delete it with the delete key. Now select this highlight right here, go to stroke and select a rounded cap. And then just to move this into the middle, we select the rotate tool, and while holding down the Alt key or the Option key on Mac to get these 3 dots next to the cursor, go to the center of this circle and it will say center like this when you hit the center. Then click 1 time and now rotate it 22.5 degrees. Click OK. And if you have a fill like this right here, you can simply disable it. So now select the stroke color, go to opacity and select 70%. And now all that's left is simply to select everything, hold down the Shift key and rotate the entire ball by 45 degrees. And here you have it. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.